This video is sponsored by BuyMote shopping app.
Setting boundaries with people is crucial in both personal and professional relationships. It helps us establish our limits, protect our emotional well-being, and maintain healthy connections. In this video, we'll explore the transformative power of a Zen story that beautifully illustrates the art of setting boundaries with grace and wisdom. Get ready to delve into a thought-provoking journey that will inspire you to navigate your relationships with mindfulness and compassion. Boundaries are the invisible lines that define the limits of acceptable behavior in relationships. They serve as a form of self-care, allowing us to protect our values, emotions, and personal space. However, setting boundaries can be challenging, often leading to feelings of guilt or conflict. Zen stories offer timeless wisdom on navigating these challenges with grace and clarity. By establishing clear boundaries, we create a safe space for open communication, mutual respect, and overall well-being in our interactions with others. Zen stories, rooted in ancient Eastern philosophy, are crafted to convey profound teachings in a simple and relatable manner. These stories serve as mirrors, reflecting our own behaviors and thought patterns, leading to deep self-awareness and personal growth. Through their simplicity and depth, Zen stories inspire introspection and offer valuable insights into navigating relationships with mindfulness and compassion. Let's delve into a compelling Zen story that beautifully exemplifies the essence of setting boundaries with grace and wisdom, inviting us to explore the transformative power of this ancient wisdom. To establish and maintain healthy boundaries, it's essential to communicate assertively yet compassionately. Clearly express your needs and limits using I statements to avoid blame or conflict. Prioritize self-care and self-respect, recognizing that setting boundaries is an act of self-love. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness to tune into your emotions and recognize when boundaries are being crossed. Remember, boundaries are not walls, but bridges that foster authentic connections and mutual respect in all areas of your life. Setting boundaries is not just about creating limits. It's a powerful catalyst for personal growth and transformation. By establishing and upholding boundaries, we empower ourselves, cultivate self-respect, and nurture healthier relationships. Embrace discomfort and uncertainty as opportunities for growth, knowing that change often leads to positive outcomes. Drawing from Zen philosophy, we learn to navigate challenges with resilience and adaptability, fostering a mindset that welcomes change as a natural part of our journey towards self-discovery and fulfillment. In conclusion, setting clear boundaries is essential for nurturing healthy relationships and prioritizing personal well-being. Through the wisdom of Zen stories, we've explored the transformative power of boundary setting with grace and wisdom. Reflect on the Zen story shared, and consider how its teachings can guide you in establishing boundaries that honor your values and emotions. Take a proactive step towards self-awareness and growth by applying these insights in your daily interactions. Engage further by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video to inspire others on their journey to setting boundaries with mindfulness and compassion.